Good morning, boys and girls.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, and you?
I'm on day, sit down please. Who is on duty today?
I'm.
Who is absent?
Other is you.
Thank you, sit down please. What is the home task?
Page number 54, exercise 1 and 2.
1 and who is ready?
Exercise 1.
Sınıp please.
1. Play. 2. Soap opera. 3. Vlog. 4. Video clip. 5. Documentary. 6. Circus. 7. Ballet. And 8. Cha-cha.
Cha-cha. Excellent. Exercise 2. Who is ready? You can ask please.
We were really excited about entering the online fashion competition. I'm fascinated with fashion design and I'm really keen on the latest British design.
Stop. Continue. Continue.
A group of us at school created some decisions especially for teenagers. We are really happy with our work and proud of our creative decisions. So,
use when the subject are the same person. For example, Jane cut herself with a knife. Translate. Jane что делала? Порезала сама с ножом. Здесь herself relative pronouns. Relative pronouns may also be used to and give emphasis. He'll do it himself. For example, he do it himself.
Он сам это сделал.
Да, он сам это сделал. Next. Relative pronouns and intensive pronouns. Personal object pronouns. Me, you, him, her, it, us. Next, relative pronouns. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves. Да, myself, значит, это когда мен не дейді, на жерде мен дейді, өзім туралы. Yourself, second person singular. Жекеше түрдегі екінші жақтағы. Third person singular male дейді. Сонда үшінші жақтағы жекеше түрде himself, herself, and itself. Himself бізге кімге қатысты? Ұл балаға, иә? Herself қыз балаға. Түрдегі екінші жақтағы. Third person singular male дейді. Сонда үшінші жақтағы жекеше түрде himself, herself, and itself. Himself бізге кімге қатысты? Ұл балаға, иә? Herself қыз балаға. Itself жансыз заттарға. And ourself бізде көпше түрдегі бірінші жақта.
No self, them, деген them, тag them, tag them, He bought himself a new car. 2. She spoke very little of herself. And 3. I am not pleased with myself. And 4. Don't touch here. You can hurt yourselves. And 5. I hope they will do it themselves. And 6. Good boys. You ask nothing for yourselves. And 7. Have a rest. Mom will clean everything ourselves.
Very good. Please. Adela.
1. I taught myself to always give
all my effort. 2. We gave ourselves a pat on the back for the good work. 3. Please calm yourself down. 4. He took himself out of the ball game. 5. She whispered to himself when she was alone. 6. They gave themselves a 20-minute break. 7. You guys gave yourselves a more difficult task. 8.